Want to order online but not sure where to start? Don't worry. Today we'll walk you through the simple step-by-step process of placing an order on the new William Smith website. Step 1. Sign in to your web account. Before you start browsing, make sure you're signed into your account. This ensures you can see your individual pricing and live stock availability while shopping. If you don't have an account yet, check out our previous video on how to sign up. It's quick and easy to get started. Step 2. Find your products. Now that you're signed in, it's time to find the products you need. If you already know exactly what you're looking for, use the search bar at the top of the page to search by product name or variant code for an instant result. If you'd prefer to browse, you can explore by category or brand, using the navigation tabs on the homepage. You can also use the application type slider menu to find products based on specific needs. And when searching, take advantage of our filter options, such as selecting PVC-free films or other product specifications, to narrow down your results. Step 3. Adding items to your basket. Once you've found what you need, select the color, size, and quantity. Then add the item to your basket. You can repeat this process until you have everything you need. Step 4. Checking out. When you're ready to place your order, click the basket icon in the top right corner of your screen. Double-check all the details to make sure everything is correct. If you have a promo code, don't forget to apply it before heading to checkout. Step 5. Completing your order. On the checkout page, make sure to select the correct delivery address, especially if you have multiple addresses linked to your account. Then, fill in any additional details, including special delivery instructions. Finally, move on to the payment screen. If you have a credit account, you can choose to pay on account, or you can pay by card to complete your order. Need help? Ordering online with William Smith is now quicker and easier than ever. But if you have any questions or run into any issues, our friendly team is here to help. Just hop onto our live chat for instant support from the same experts you speak to over the phone. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you online soon.